ship you are seeing, it is the HMS Belfast. It is the last ship remaining of that era, of the World War era. All of the ships that have taken part during the World War are either destroyed or scrapped or sunk. But this is the only ship remaining, despite facing the damage to the hull. I would say the spine of the ship. So it was repaired, it was again commissioned and work. But now since 1973 it is docked over here. You can just visit this ship if you want to. You have a tour of this. It costs £27 for visiting the ship. And then you can just visit the shop for the souvenirs. A lot of souvenirs are there, but definitely these are costly. These are very costly. So enjoy the ship. That is the Belfast for you. That is docked just in front of the Tower Bridge. It is a Tower Bridge. It is not the London Bridge, it is a Tower Bridge. Have a great day.